Stunning new construction offering exceptional space, quality, and modern design. This home features 4 spacious bedrooms or a flexible 3-bedroom layout west/a large bonus room, along west/3 full bathrooms for ultimate convenience. Step inside to an open concept floor plan highlighted by a chef's kitchen with a large island, seamlessly flowing into the expansive great room. The living area showcases a cozy fireplace west/custom built-ins, creating the perfect blend of comfort and style. High-end finishes include luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout main living areas, combining durability west/contemporary appeal. Additional features include dedicated laundry room, spacious 3-car garage, large homesite offering plenty of outdoor space, covered back patio ideal for entertaining or relaxing. This thoughtfully designed home delivers modern luxury, functional living spaces, and room to grow.